Our last project was not only about how you could loop sections to create a piece, but how you could take the chords from the 1-5-6-4 chord progression and put them in a different order to create something. So today we're going to scramble those chords one more time and see what we come up with. The first project we created was in the key of C. We used the 1-5-6-4 chord progression, and those chords were C, G, A minor, and F. We quickly decided to change those up, which left us with F, C, G, and A minor, or 4-1-5-6. What happens when you scramble up that progression? You end up with the 6-4-1-5, which definitely has an edgier sound. I'm going to go with a double finger tap autoplay pattern 2, turn on my metronome, and record 2 bars of each chord. I've already recorded my percussion track, so let's bring up the volume on that. This chord progression definitely has a different sound than anything we've worked with so far. Let's see what we can add to it tomorrow.